Hi friends, welcome back. So remember the candied bacon that I made a while ago? Yeah, the one with the brown sugar and the fresh cracked pepper, all the seasonings, and how I explained, yeah, it's like super good and sweet and spicy, all of that. Yeah, go check that video out. I'll tag it for you. And my favorite sandwich still remains my plant-based sandwich, but this one right here is in a close second place. This is my candied bacon and avocado sandwich, and it is one of my favorites. And today I'm going to show you how I make this sandwich. It's very easy. So first we're going to start off, we're going to make our own mayo, our Chipotle lime mayo. So it's going to have a half a cup of mayo, 2 Chipotle peppers, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of the adobo sauce, some maple syrup, a pinch of salt, and some lime juice. Of course, you can buy your own, but I make mine because I can customize it, make it sweeter, spicier, and then I don't end up with a whole big bottle that's going to go to waste. Now, with the avocados, you can definitely slice them and put them on your sandwich, but I like to season mine and go ahead and smash them up and use them as a spread. It's just easier. But here's all the things that I put on my sandwich. The bacon, the avocado. I put on some red onions, brioche bread. I also like to use a ciabatta, but brioche today. Some fresh lettuce. And this is everything I put on my sandwich. And then we just put it together. It's that simple. And let me tell you, this is one of the best sandwiches I've ever had. Customizable. Put whatever veggies you want on there. Just make it your own. But yeah, go ahead and like and subscribe and come back and get some more recipes, guys.